Introducing our new editor, redesigned to streamline and enhance your editing experience. As our product has rapidly evolved, we recognize that the Sidebar experience needed to be reimagined to allow for new capabilities, while keeping the same easy-to-use experience. In the past year, we introduced lots of new editing features, from one-click additions like pan and zoom on videos to more complex capabilities like branching. These features have made Arcade more powerful, but also made it harder to find the right feature when you need it. The action bar at the top now contains all features for adding elements to a specific step. This includes camera recording for adding a personal touch, call-outs for providing context, and forms to capture leads in the moment. The Sidebar now contains all features for editing elements on the step and the overall arcade, including features like background music for more dynamic demos, custom branding for call to actions, and navigation controls for customizing the viewer experience. Now it's your turn to try it out. Please reach out if you have any questions or feedback.